Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix music app stuck on loading library on iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode and wait for few seconds and disable it, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off handoff and set never for automatically airplay. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on airplay and handoff, tap on automatically airplay, select never, then go back. Now turn off handoff and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reboot your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off your device, wait for few seconds and turn back on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is force close music app and reopen it. While you are in music app, swipe up the screen from bottom to center until you getting the closed apps. Then swipe up the apps to close. Again open music app and check if it's working or not, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for iOS update. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix music app stuck on loading library on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.